Welcome back to Harsha Trainings. Today we are going to learn how to create AWS free tier account. Okay, so many of the people asking the questions like when I create the account, I'm facing some issues. So the account is denying. So when I give the details, it is not accepting. So many issues, right? So how to create account in simple steps I explain. So when we want to create any AWS account, free tier account, so first we need to give aws.amazon.com is the URL. So just type aws.amazon.com. Now click on sign into the console. So when we click on sign into the console, it will give you one menu here, which is so when we give aws.amazon.com, so it is asking you to create a new AWS account, right? See here. So this is a create a new AWS account. Just click on this. Once you click on this, yeah, see here. So root user email address and AWS account name, it is asking, right? Yeah, so before creating this account, we required one Gmail account, right? We required one Gmail account. Yeah, first we need to prepare one Gmail account. After that, yeah, see here, this is the first screen. So when we execute the aws.amazon.com, right? Yeah, so now see here. So click on create a new AWS account here. After that, once you click on this, it is asking you to sign up for AWS. Give your email address here, AWS account name. Click on verify email address. Okay. Once you click on this, you will get one email to your registered email. Okay. Yeah. In that email, yeah. So once you give this email and name here, you will get email. So in that email, you get some verification code, right? So that code you need to enter here. In this verification code, you need to enter the code. So after that, click on verify. Once you click on verify, right? So after this, here, see here, yeah, create your password. Now it is asking password. So give your password, confirm password. So click on continue. Once you click on continue, next one is, see here. Yeah, it is asking your full name, phone number, country, region, right? Your address, city, right? Yeah, see here. After that, check the I have read and agree to the terms of the service here. Okay, check this. Check this box. After that, click on continue. Once you click on continue, now it will ask you to provide the bank account details, either credit card or debit card, right? So you need to give the debit card or credit card details here. So this account will ask you to provide a 12-digit bank account number, credit card number. So which can be HDFC Bank, ICICI, SBI, Axis Bank, Citibank. These banks will be allowed. So only Master and Visa card, right? So RuPay card it will not accept. RuPay it will not be accepted. Okay. Once you enter this credit card details, after that you need to give the expiration date of your card, like month and year. After that CVV number you need to execute here. You need to enter the CVV number. Once you enter CVV number, verify and continue. Click on this. Once you click on this, see here, now it will ask you to provide OTP number, right? OTP, you will get one OTP. So you can give that OTP in this menu. Once you submit this, right? See here, it is asking you to provide a CAPTCHA, right? So this CAPTCHA you need to execute, security check code, right? So click on send SMS, you will get SMS. So after that, you will get one more confirmation ID. Once you enter that ID, what will happen? So your account will be created and 2 rupees will be deducted from your account, right? So that 2 rupees would be reverted after 1 week, right? So unknowingly, AWS will not charge anything from your account, right? So whatever amount deducted, 2 rupees, that will be reverted, right? So yeah, whatever free services are there in the AWS account, you have to use that, right? This account will work 1 year, but we need to use properly, right? So whenever you complete your practice, you need to stop the servers, you need to delete the resources, right? You need to delete the storages, elastic IPs. So we need to use properly, right? So otherwise what will happen? Bill will be generated, right? So once bill is generated, you will get emails, right? So please clear the bill. Yeah, if you are not clearing the bill, if you are not responding to the emails, what will happen here? What will happen here? So AWS will suspend your account. So they will not charge anything from your, they will not charge anything from your account. So only they suspend your account so that you cannot use the AWS account, right? That is why we need to use properly. So once complete the practice, you need to delete the resources. You need to stop the servers and network, whatever resources, right? Yeah. So once you complete your practice, definitely make sure everyone should stop the resources. Otherwise, we'll get some conflicts, issues, right? Yeah. So I think this video will help you to create the account, right? Yeah. So everyone follow the steps to create the account, right? Fine. Yeah. Thank you all.